Hi guys, my name's Sasha and today I want to show you some cute little cat themed charms and earrings. So for this project we'll need some wire, some pliers and some beads. The end product's going to look a bit like that, but I've got some very small beads today and I'm going to make one that looks like this. Little kitty cat. Now to start I want to make this part that goes in the ear, so I'm going to get my round nose pliers and just make a loop on the top here and turn it straight so it looks like that, and then I'm gonna get just some normal pliers and I'm gonna bend it back and twist it round. Just adjust and pull it up. That's very big, so I'm going to try and make them look the same, so I'm just going to cut off this extra bit here and it's going to look like that. Now for the cat's face, I want to put the bead on and then make a loop for the top. Turn and make it straight so it looks like a little loop, and then push this bead up. I want to leave a little bit of space so that if you see it looks a little bit up there. So I'm going to hold here and then I'm going to bend this piece. Too much. Bend it round to make the ears. Just adjust. This wire is a little bit tough for me. Okay, it'll look like that, just a circle around. I'm gonna cut off this end bit because it's getting in my way. There we go, put that over there. Okay, now to make the ears, I'm just gonna get like close on the side here and turn the wire a bit like we did with the flowers, the tips of the flowers. And then this side, just little ears. There we go. Little ears like that. I'm just squishing so that I get it how I want it, and I want to get this piece of wire in there so that I can hook it in and secure it. Let me use some pliers. Okay, just twist this a little bit, adjusting. And this extra bit is getting a bit much. So I'm just going to pinch it and cut that off. Just in there. There we go. I'm going to put it down like that so you can see, and then I've got the part that goes in your ear, and I'm just opening the loop so that I can hook it in here, and then I'm going to close the loop. There we go, little cat. for the rest of this project, I'm going to make a little charm, like a key ring. And it's going to be the whole cat, not just the head. So we're going to need wire, pliers, and 2 little beads. They don't have to be like too different. This cat that I've made is also quite cute. It's a bit bigger. But to start, we're going to put both beads on the wire. There we go. Like that. And then I'm going to make the loop at the top. I'm going to make quite a big loop because it looks nice on the other one. There we go, like that. Let me turn this over. There we go. And now they don't want to go up. Okay. I'm leaving a bit of space because there's going to be wire going in between them. So I'm not squishing them up tight against the loop. So to start, I'm going to turn this tail bit up and round. Let me hold it with the wire, the pliers. Okay, up and round. And I'm going to go around the head now to make the little ears. Need the pliers again. Give it a little space. Okay, sort of start on the side of the head and bend it up and turn the pliers and bend it down to make those little ears. Now this side, bend it up and bend it down. There we go. Little adjusting. It looks a bit loose right now, but we'll get it to tighten up. Going around the back now, and we need to get this end bit through here, through that loop. Not too much kinking of the wire. Just adjusting. Squish it in. And get some pliers and pull this through a little bit. Go. I'm just going to twist this round again because it's looking very loose. There we go. I want this to be a strong little charm. Okay, that's the front. Now this end bit is getting in my way. It's a bit long. Here we go. Let me cut it off. I'd say about there. And then the roundy pliers to make the curve of the tail. I don't want it to be facing him. we go, a little cat charm. Love cats as much as I do. I hope you enjoy making these little charms. Please subscribe to see more cute little things like